Hello, this is another episode of Hang with Hang. Today we're gonna make spring roll, and the ingredients are mint, cilantro, uh, lettuce, cucumbers, green onions, carrots, and the main ingredient, shrimp. This is roast pork, but they already chopped into small pieces. Roast pork. Vietnamese rice noodle vermicelli, and what you do is you just boil in the water just like you boil spaghetti, and this is after it's done right here. That's rice noodle, and you need the rice paper. You need the rice paper to wrap the spring roll. And for the sauce, you can use hoisin sauce. Hoisin sauce for the sauce. And you can sprinkle on the sauce like ground up peanuts. Let's prepare the spring roll. So first of all, just chop, just cut the cucumber. I use a small cucumber, small cucumber here. Just cut it small again. Just cut it small again. Okay. This is healthy and easy to make, so it doesn't take long. Basically, you eat a lot of vegetable here. It's very healthy. Okay, this is how you cut cucumber right there, and this is how you cut carrots. I would cut in. I would do half. This is half again. Half. To add color to the spring roll, basically. And for shrimp, we already cooked and devein and take out the shell already. But after they take out the shell, you have this right here. All you do is just cut in half. You don't want the whole shrimp. You just half it, cut in half. And this have a whole bunch of them. And this is the roast pork right here. There's another meat that's gonna go into the spring roll. You can buy that from Asian store, roast pork, and then you just it's already cooked. You just chop them up into small pieces. And green onions, you do is just trim it, cut about half, and just cut into long way, small pieces. Just add another, color to the spring roll. You have the green, you have the orange from the from the carrots, and another green from the cucumber. Let's do it like that. Just cut in half, long way. Just cut in half. almost ready to roll. Now, this is you need to have hot water, just basically from the tap. Just turn on hot. Not you don't have to boil it. It's just lukewarm. Put it here, and the purpose of this is to dip the rice paper in it. So the rice paper a little hot right now. Just dip it to soften it up. Okay, now we're ready to assemble the spring roll. Let's get the spring rolls, the rice paper, and soak in water. Soak in warm water for a few seconds, maybe 5-6 seconds. That's all you need. That's it. And put on a plate. And now we take some shrimp. That's why we cut the shrimp in half. So we only need 3 shrimp, 3 pieces or half 3 shrimp. Okay. Now we're gonna put some red leaf lettuce and kind of squeeze it a little bit, and some rice noodle put on top. You have to put it toward this edge right here, toward the one, not in the center, but, and then put some, this is the roast pork that's already been chopped up. And put some carrots, green onions, like that, cucumber, cilantro, some mint. Alright, time to roll. Got it here. Try to hold it like that. Okay. Alright. Fold it to edge. See, fold it. This. Tuck this all in. Fold it to edge. And you roll it. Roll it tight. Roll it. Roll. 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 This is it. That's the final products. See, it's easy to make. Now let's do another one. Take the rice paper, soak in warm water a little bit. Soak in warm water about 2-3 seconds, about 5 seconds. Put on a plate. Take some shrimp. 3 shrimp. That's why we have the shrimp, so it's easier to, okay. And you take some lettuce, squeeze it a little bit. Try to have a little bit, don't put it toward the edge here. Try to have some space in, both sides, a little space there. And put some ground roast pork, some roast pork that's already been chopped up. A little bit more. And some carrots, green onions, cucumber. It's very healthy. cilantro. It's basically, very healthy. Some mint, mint leaf. Okay, now ready to roll. Grab it. Um, oh, oh yeah. One more thing we forgot. The rice noodle. Forgot about the rice noodle. Okay, that's it. Just grab it, hold it tight like this. Hold it tight and like that, pin it down and make sure everything's snug in it, and then fold the edge. The left side, the right side, and then roll. And roll. And roll. And that's it. That's the final products. Okay. Yeah, this is the final products, spring roll. And you can dip with sauce. The sauce is simple. Hoisin sauce. Hoisin sauce. Yeah. For the sauce, it's hoisin sauce. You just put in the small container a little bit. Just a little bit there. And chop up peanuts. Okay. And shredded, if you want to, this is a shredded carrot. Just put a little bit shredded carrot on the top there for the sauce. And it's simple. This is it. Thank you for watching, and if you like what you see, please subscribe and give us a thumb up, and please support the channel by subscribe to this channel, and we're gonna make more cooking episode coming up very soon. Thank you for watching again. Thank you for spending time with hanging with Hang, and so long.